Hi there, this is J3. In this post, we will initialize the tutorial for make a Django blog like this one that is installed on Heroku.com, and I will show you what it can do. Here is the home page. We have some post here and we have a pagination right here, next, and previews and first and so on. You can, we are on the home page. We are not logged in. Let's register ourselves. Let's make a user test one now. Let's make a email user test one and .com. Okay, let's make a password. Let's repeat the password. Let's sign up. Once you sign up, your account has been created and you are now ready to go to the login page. And yes, here you are, user test one. Let's log in and let's log in now. We are logged in. Let's make a post, a new post, and let's test it for blog, my blog, my blog, user test. Okay, the content of my blog. Okay, let's post it. There you have it. And now you can update it or delete this post, the content of my blog. Let's update it, my content of my blog, updated, user test, updated. Save it. There you have it. We can delete this post now. Let's, and you are sure you want to delete the post, my blog updated user test one? Yes, delete it. And there you have it. Make another post. Go my second post. Second post, the content of my second post. Okay, let's save it. User test test one. Let's save it. And there you have it. Now let's make another post, a new post. Let's my third post, user test one, the content of my post. Third, sorry, a third post. And there you have it. Now let's go to the home page, and the user test one have two posts, and we can click on the deploy the user, and it will filter for the post for this user. Let's go to the home again. Let's post to the user test one. He has to post the content of my third and in the second post in the reverse order. Fine. Let's make some, let me show you more. You can go to the profile. Here is my profile. You can change the photo of yourself here, but I will not do it now. and you can update something you would like. Okay, and let's go to the let's log out. Okay, and let's go to the admin page, and let me enter it as admin. There you have it, and here is the user, and the user we just created now, user now, and the post that user have, the my third post, my user two posts that were entering by the user test one, and you can make here, save, etc. Okay, and here is the profile, all the profile for user test one. Want to change it, okay, and I think that is all. Let's log out as log out as and let's go to the home page again, and there you have. In this post, we're gonna see how to do this in Django right now. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this project. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.